Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet flower designs. Different color, different designs, different ideas in front of you one by one. Most attractive and most amazing collection in front of you for beautiful and creative ladies who loves to wear such type of collection. Crochet is always beautiful, trendy, expensive, stylish also. So I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet flower designs and others like crochet baby material like crochet baby frock designs, baby romper designs, baby shoes designs, baby cap designs, women cap designs, men cap designs and women long gloves, short gloves, fingerless gloves, crochet women scarf designs, flowering scarf designs, crochet women poncho designs, caplet cap shawl, circular jacket designs, sweater designs, bodycon dresses, long dresses, short dresses, full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless dresses also, and crochet skirt designs, blouse, top designs, and crochet women jewelry like crochet women necklace designs, earring designs, bracelet designs, finger ring designs, and feet jewelry like crochet anklet designs and baby anklet designs also. So other things are also in front of you. So dear friends, you can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. So dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection. Remember me in your prayers.